Hey YouTube, welcome back. So today I'm going to unbox this. This one's the Duracell's pack of 3 LED headlamps, and it has up to 575 lumens. So as you can see, it has different kind of light modes. They also have red lights, and come with the 9 of the AAA batteries. By the way, this video is not sponsored by this company. I purchased this at the Costco. Original retail price on this was like $19.99, and then there's a $7 coupon, which is $12.99 for a 3-pack. That was a pretty good deal. So yes, spot / flat, or the flat beam, or spot beam, and then a red night vision, and then a red flasher. Well, there's a UV inspection beam. Not sure what's that for. And here's a specification right here. Here's the art number. Go ahead and open this up. Guess this is the instruction or a user guide. So it has 3 of the individual box. And here's a quick instruction guide right there. So allow you to tilt in an angle, which is cool. And then there's an instruction right here. Here's a button right there, and then the light mode. Okay, that's it. And then there's 2 other buckles right here. You can adjust the size, bigger or smaller. Let's open this. So I'm going to use my rechargeable battery. So So I gotta make sure you install the right correct position. Positive, positive, positive. Let's turn it on. Press and hold. Oh, just press one time, that's it. Pretty bright, look at that. I'm gonna press the mode. So I guess this one's the spot. That's a red. I'm not sure what you use the red for. Guess, I don't know, emergency. And then this is the UV. And then that's it. Back to first position. I'm trying to turn out the light and then test it out. Alright, so right now it's completely darkness. I'm gonna turn on the light. Wow, look at that. Nice. Change the mode. The next mode. Wow. Next one. So yeah, I'm not sure which mode, why is this one the red light for, but, and then this is like an emergency. And this one's UV, cool. So anything that white is gonna glow. Nice. Let me try to wear over the head. Alright, so this is what's it look like. Tilting. And then that's it. So, wow, super bright. Alright, anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up, like the video. Please be sure to hit the subscribe button, turn on the bell for notification, or drop any comments below. Thank you for watching. See you guys on the next video. Peace.